Hey guys, Dean here from the Bush Company. Now this week we've got a great looking Ford Ranger PX2 in the workshop. And the greatest part about modern days is that there's such a wide variety of choice of different products that you can customize your truck. It's really like having your own canvas and you can paint it however you want to. So just running through a bit of on this vehicle, what the customer has had already fit on and so on. We've got a great looking ARB bull bar on the front end here, color matched with a light bar which really sets it off. That's a 20-inch dual row double light bar. See the unit end antenna over there. Now the nice thing about that as well is the unit end radios nowadays, you've got the whole head unit being able to be tucked away, out of the way inside the car, so you're really only looking at the mic, and the mic has got all your functionality and working components on it. On this vehicle as well, we've got a great looking Snorkel Bush Company dash mat. It's one of our own, just setting off that front for all those little bit of extra accessories you might need in there. Now this vehicle is also sporting a Tough Dog 2-inch suspension lift. From what it looks like, it's the heavy rated springs in the back, giving you that extra bit of packing load weight carrying capacity in the rear end. We were fortunate enough, guys, to add on one of our Rhino Cab Canopies. Now these really stand out. The customer went with a two-tone grey colour and we think it looks absolutely great on this vehicle. Fits perfectly. We've got the sliding windows, the cab sliding windows is an option. We went with a custom load rails on the roof as well. That's just going to be great to load up your kayaks, bits of wood from wherever store you might be and so on. We've got an integrated solar panel mounted on the roof, and what the Canopy did with its roof rails is that it's so easy just to bolt on accessories, whether you've got kayak loaders, tinny loaders, roof racks, you name it. Coming to the rear of the vehicle over here, we'll just pop open this door. Nice high lifting door. There we go. And what we fitted is a set of our Bush Company roller drawers. Now roller drawers, other than giving you that huge accessibility for all your ultimate storage that you might need, nice full pull out, but you've got a lot of space in the sides of the wings and also in the rear, giving the customer the ability to add in water tanks, 12-volt systems, dual battery systems and so on, even a fridge slide with their choice of fridge on the top. So with the wide variety of products available from the Bush Company, you know, we were just really happy to be part of this build. It's looking good, and a huge amount of space in the canopy as well, giving you all that protection you might need, keeping your goods safe, out of the sun, and locked away so they can't fly off the back of the ute. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.